Looking for a short and easy explanation of the recession the whole world is living through? You're in the right place. We're about to tell you the exact repercussions it would have on your financial situation, and most importantly, how to escape this disaster. Because everyone would be affected, if it's not already done. And unless you take the right actions, you'll fall into the cracks of the prosperity gap. The business model we're going to introduce you to is by far the most efficient and profitable one in the online business area. Not only has it made an insane number of people millionaires, but it also combines internet business strategies all together. And everyone can do it. Whether you're a man, a woman, a team, a 40-year-old who wants to quit his 9-to-5 job and work on his own terms, a high school student, or anyone who thinks there's way more in this life than gifting your best years to your boss and helping him build his wealth. Stay with us until the end. This video may give you the new start you're looking for. So without further ado, let's jump into the dark world of the 2023 recession. The textbook definition of a recession is a significant decline in economic activity that lasts for months or even years. Economic output decline. Manufacturers produce fewer goods, which leads businesses to cut their expenses and lay off employees. As a result, unemployment increases. People find themselves without resources when the prices of basic needs go up higher and higher. Since 2008, inflation has never reached this level. So what does it mean? It means that consumers and businesses will drastically cut back their spending, sending the economy into a tailspin, a vicious circle that looks hard to break. No matter if you've been working in a big firm for several years, if you've just graduated from college, or if you're trying to figure out what to do with your life, you must prepare yourself for the coming recession. How? You won't make it by saving your way to wealth. You won't make it by trying to work more hours or finding a second, maybe a third job. Actually, you don't need a job. And by the way, do you know what job means? Just over broke. It hurts, right? But we're not here to make you feel bad about yourself or to paint a hopeless picture of your future life. We're here to give you the solution to escape this trap. Make yourself financially free and build multiple streams of revenue to beat the recession by applying a strategy with proven efficiency. First, if you want to take a step forward, you need to understand that what you need is a business model that gives you location, time, and financial freedom. You need to build a business that you can manage from anywhere in the world. Your home office, a cafe, a co-working space, overseas. Having time freedom is when you can set your own schedule and work on your own terms. And you become financially free when you don't trade your time for money. You build a system with different streams of income, and you make money in your sleep. Unlike the last recession of 2008, you have now the most powerful tool that ever existed to create wealth and start your path to becoming a millionaire. It's the digital world. With the internet, it has never been easier to succeed as a solo entrepreneur or a digital entrepreneur. But you must be careful with the word easy. YouTube is full of videos claiming that you can make money the easy and lazy way. As hopeful as this idea may seem, there is no effortless way to earn money, let alone to make millions. Financial freedom comes with not hard, but smart work and a great understanding of the make money online system. The business model you must use to beat the recession is YouTube automation. It's making faceless YouTube channels and earning money passively from them. That's how we came up with our channel's name, YouTubemation. And if you're not subscribed to YouTubemation yet, you must do it right now. Why this online business? What makes it better than any other online business? You'll find all the answers right here.